Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the channel protein. Channel proteins are the one which are used during facilitated diffusion. The facilitated diffusion means substance will move along the gradient, means they are moving from high concentration to low concentration, but they are polar molecules, or you can say they are hydrophilic, or they are charged particles. So their diffusion is facilitated with the help of protein. Generally, for facilitated diffusion, two type of proteins are used. One is channel protein, one is carrier protein. So right now my focus is to explain you what are the type of a channel proteins we use. So channel proteins, they generally provide corridor which allows specific molecules or ions to pass. Hydrophilic pathway which is provided by these proteins can allow even water molecules to pass. But main important difference is channel proteins will not undergo any conformational change the way carrier proteins will do. There are many types of channel proteins are there which allow ions only to pass, we say ion channels, which allow only water to pass, we say aquaporins. Gap junctions you will see in the cardiac cells where lit ions as well as some small molecules also. Proton channels, chloride channels and calcium channels. These are the different types of channel proteins. Focus mainly on the right now on the ion channels. Ion channels generally they will allow ions to pass like sodium ion, potassium ion, calcium ion or chlorine ions. Okay, and these ion channels are gated. What do you mean by the word gated? Gated means these channels are closed and they will open only when a stimulus is causing a change in the 3D shape of the channels. Now, the stimulus can be either any voltage differences which we generally study in the nerve, or any chemical binding. Chemical means ligand, just like neurotransmitter at the synapse we use them, or mechanically. Because of the pressure or stretch, you will find that the sensory cells, the ion channels will open. You will see them in the sound, in the sound or in the touch. Clear? Now, aquaporins. See, first of all, understand aquaporins are the water channels which allow water to pass a large quantity. Water itself, you know very well, it's a polar molecule, but still, because of its small size, it is able to diffuse along the phospholipid bilayer, which is hydrophobic. So, aquaporins are the one which are creating a pore, or you can say they are channel proteins through which large amount of water molecule can pass. You can imagine that nearly 3 billion water molecule is able to pass per second from each aquaporin. If we don't use aquaporin, only little amount of the water molecule will be passing. So you can understand what is the speed with aquaporin. And see in the diagram, at the narrow point, you will find they are having the positive charge, which does not allow any ions, even proton to pass. So they are very specific. Means they are very specific, or you can say they are selective. They do not allow any other ions or even small molecule to pass. You will find aquaporins in the kidney cells or in the root hair cells to absorb the water in large quantity. So I hope so in this video, type of the channel proteins and proper explanation of the aquaporin and ion channels might be easy for you. Thanks for watching.